What is up, YouTube? Ruben here. You probably noticed that I'm actually filming this bus right here. And today I'm riding Modern Transit, fleet number 2. And we're going to be taking this bus from Lake Avenue Church all the way to Gateway Plaza. And this is operated by Modern Transit. And this is, I believe, a 2001 Ford E450. It's a Arboc bus. We're gonna be turning left on El Molino Avenue, and we are now turning left on El Molino Avenue. We're on El Molino Avenue, and we're gonna turn left on Forson Street. Now turning left on Forson Street. We're going to be on Forson Street, and we're going to turn right on Mentor Avenue. There's Lake Station right there. That is Lake Avenue Church right here. I left the bus right around 10:56. There is a radio that's on board, but it's actually off, which I would recommend you do if you're if you have YouTube. And yes, this is going to YouTube, by the way. Right here. This is Lake Station. Here comes the green light. There's the 180 right there. Okay, now turning right on Mentor Avenue. And that's it. That is a ride from Lake Avenue Church all the way to Gateway Plaza at Locust Street and Lake Avenue. And we are now turning right on Locust Street. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now. And by the way, this is the Lake Avenue Church shuttle. Okay, bye for now.
You too. Don't have any accidents today. Be safe. Hey, it's fine that you allow yourself to be.